Would you believe the hardest object in your house is almost certainly this? It's not a granite countertop, a porcelain toilet, or a hammer. Hardness is actually a scientific term for how easy it is to scratch something. We measure it on the Mohs scale, and it goes from 10 all the way down to 1, and it's really just a ranking, so we know a 4 is a little bit harder than a 3. When the scale was invented back in 1812, they set 10 as a diamond because it was the hardest material they could find, and then on the other end of the scale was talc, which is so soft it's almost like chalk. Now, the official way to rank something on the scale is so simple, it's almost funny. Take any hard object, and if it gets scratched by a 5, but not a 4, then you know the hardness is somewhere between a 5 and a 4. And if the two objects both scratch each other, then you know they're the exact same hardness. So now that we can officially measure hardness, what is the hardest object in your house? It's this rock right here, number 9 on Mohs scale. And it might not look that familiar until I do this. Now, since hardness is about scratchability, not breakability, this should be no problem for the hammer. It's the grains in sandpaper. So sandpaper is the hardest thing you have in your house. Unless, of course, you're sporting some really major bling.